Another neat way of using spread operator is when we're selecting the elements. Because remember, when we selected a bunch of elements, in fact, we got back a node list. And we were not able to use our favorite methods, let's say map, because it was an array, it was a node list. And just to give you an example, up in the index.html, I have 4 headings with some kind of text. And then within the heading 2, I would want to combine all of them and just return as one single value. So instead of all of them as heading ones, we're just going to get the text within each and every heading 1, then wrap it with a span, and then just return it in our heading 2. Again, nothing major, but still a good example. We're going to go with const heading, and let's add maybe s because there's going to be multiple of them. Of course, we have document, then we have a query selector all, since there's multiple elements, and I'm looking for all my heading ones. And then I also want to get the result. So div with an ID of result. So const result is equal to a document, not do not track. We have document, then we have get element by ID, and then the result is our ID. All right, so we have both selections, and now I would want to see what happens with my headings. Because remember, headings was a node list. So headings, we can console log, and of course I have the node list. So if I would want to run a map, let's say item, and we would just want to console log it, you're going to see that I'm not going to be able to do that because headings map is not a function. And of course, we cannot do that because it is not an array. And the fast way how to fix that is by setting up a new variable. And I'm going to name this text, and then we can just do dot, 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 and then we're looking for the headings. And now if we're going to console log the text, you're going to see that text is a array. So if it is array, now we can use whatever methods we would want. And what method are we looking for? Well, I would want to use a map method, then join, and then later within result, just pass it in the inner HTML. Since I already have the array right here, I can just chain dot map, then each and every item. I'm going to use my arrow function, and then from the function, I would want to return a span. And then within each and every span, we're going to place a text. So let me have my span, then let me access the item. Since I'm using the template strings here, I'm going to say item, and then I'm looking for text content. So text content, that of course is going to return me the array with each and every item. So I can just use join, and that is going to become a string. And now at the very end, we have a result in our HTML is equal to a text. And then within heading 2, of course, each and every text that I had within heading 1 is going to be placed as one long string. So again, just to reiterate, if we select elements, we get back node lists. But if we would want to use our favorite methods that we can use with arrays, we would want to use the spread operator, where we're just going to get our node list and we're going to spread it as a single item into array. And then once we do that, then of course we can use whatever array method we would want.